Candle, great, whatever. Fluttershy shopping done.
Oh, you can't honestly be serious.
Ghost candle!
A candle is what you buy when you have no idea what to get some pony.
What do you want, Discord?
Fluttershy told me about this hearth, whatever it's called. I may not be invited, but I wanted to make sure she gets a quality gift.
I tried asking her what she likes, but she likes everything.
Well, she says that, but her real friends know what she actually likes.
I've known her a lot longer than you have.
Then you must surely know that lit candles around adorably flammable animals make her nervous, don't you?
Fine, I'll get her something else.
Perhaps I'll tag along to steer you in the right direction.